Hi, I'm Cheron Burns, owner and operator at Rx Catering in the DC metro area. So you want to talk about meal prep? Everyone's talking about meal prep. Who wants to meal prep? It's time consuming, it's labor intensive, but you know what? At Rx Catering, we meal prep and we have you covered. So who is that meal prep for? Well, it's probably that corporate busy mom who needs just to grab something and eat. Or how about that health conscious person who wants to make sure that they have a protein and vegetable options? Or it could be that it's for that elderly person who you know is not eating at home, but you need something for them to grab, heat, and eat. It could just be for you and I, the person that just wants something easy, not have to worry about figuring out what we're going to eat. We just want to be able to grab, heat, and eat. Well, at Rx Catering, we have you covered. And as you see right here, we have several options. Our standard option will come with a protein, a starch, and a vegetable. But if we need to customize based upon your dietary restrictions or any type of health management goals, we got you covered. So right here, we have an example of a rosemary and garlic chicken. For your premium options, sometimes people want salmon. I don't have it here, but we also have crab options. And what about that person who just wants, it's hot out, they just want something quick and cool and refreshing? We have salad options as well. As you see here, our most popular salad, our cranberry walnut salad, is topped with salmon, and also our Asian mandarin spinach salad topped with shrimp. So if any of these are of interest to you and you don't want to meal prep, you know, at Rx Catering, we got you covered. So if you want to grab, heat, and eat, don't hesitate to reach out at rxcateringdc.co.